It's a blessing kujenga family ni sumu kwetu nikupeleke Mpumalanga. Nahisi njozi nipo naye, bangotu jozi pingo naye, hakuna chozi nikiwa naye, vile tulipatana naye, ni kweli tumeshibana naye.
Maswali mengi najiuliza everyday, kipi nimefanya kupendwa na yeye? Nilimwomba Mungu nimpate kama yeye, 'cause he's amazing, simply amazing. Oh Lord, tena anabidi, ananipenda mimi, I'm his wifey to be. Oh Lord, tena anabidi, ananipenda mimi, I'm his wifey to be. He don't mind nobody, nobody else but me. He don't want nobody, nobody else but me. He won't touch nobody, nobody else but me. Nobody but me, 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 yeah.
Vicious playboy. When it comes to medals or the heart, I was a bit disabled. Different day though, who is this hazel-eyed princess angel? Make me take you and make you a Mrs. K.O. And if she's faithful, whatever that she needs is paid for. Give you all of me, just say so. I mean business, case closed. From a Casanova to a monogamist. Graduated from a misogynist, I was a chauvinist. Broken promises, now you the one I'm running with. Shower you with compliments to boost your confidence. Ayy, I'm on some grown man shit, I'm on some grown man shit. Mga lastig and roll, I'm done, it'd be so tragic. It'd be so tragic, yo, that